Alright, if you're heading to Amsterdam, you absolutely gotta check out the NDSM Art District. It's home to the world's biggest street art museum, built right inside this massive old-school shipyard. They've got over 180 international pieces on display, and honestly, the coolest part? A ton of them were actually painted live, right on the spot. The murals here are absolutely huge, we're talking stories tall, and they perfectly capture that gritty, authentic street vibe but inside a super cool indoor space. Oh, and they've also got a killer selection of books in the gift shop. I actually snagged one myself, but you'll have to stick around till the end of the video to see which one it is. Seriously though, if you're a fan of modern art books, you're definitely gonna want to hit up that section. And right above the shop on the second floor, there's actually another gallery space you can check out. Break, there's a super cozy cafe up on the third floor. You can get to it right from the gift shop or from inside the main museum area. But here's the real hidden gem. Right from the cafe balcony, you get this insane bird's eye view where you can take in all those massive paintings from way up high. And when you're finally ready to leave, you'll just head back through the shop on your way out, because that's where the exit is. The museum actually invites international artists to come in and paint new pieces right on the warehouse walls. If you time your visit right, you can even watch them create these massive murals live and up close. And right here, right next to the STRAAT Museum, is one of the most unique and vibrant spots in Amsterdam. This place used to be an abandoned shipyard, but today it has turned into the beating heart of Holland's exciting festivals. If you love music, dancing, and energy, NDSM is your paradise. It hosts very famous festivals like DGTL, which is considered one of the biggest and most sustainable electronic music festivals in the world. The industrial space of this area and the river backdrop give these events a unique atmosphere that you won't find anywhere else in the world. Even famous events like the Amsterdam Dance Event, or ADE, host a big part of their programs here. In addition to that, cultural festivals, food markets, and most famously, IJ-Hallen are held on weekends. This event is the biggest second-hand and antique market in Europe, which itself is like a big festival of color, vintage clothes, and local Dutch culture. Finding events here is very easy. Just check the official NDSM website before your trip. Now, before we wrap up, I have to show you this incredible souvenir I picked up at the STRAAT Museum shop. It's an English edition art book all about the legendary artist Keith Haring. Inside, you'll find tons of his famous artworks printed beautifully, each accompanied by full, in-depth explanations. It's the perfect way to truly understand the stories and messages behind his art. If we flip it over to the back, look at this amazing iconic photo of Haring himself with his spray can. What makes this book so valuable is that it's not just a collection of pictures. It gives you a fantastic, detailed biography of his life and journey as an artist. Alright, now let's take a look at exactly how to get to this museum on Google Maps so you can plan your own trip.